All right, take two. Hello, YouTube. So, I am a late bloomer. I do not like to spend a lot of money on phones. The last time I did, I bought a Mate 10 Pro, which was an amazing phone for $650. Then I was informed by AT&T that I would not be able to use it anymore come February, so I was stuck at in a rough spot. So it lets me go look at phones. I didn't want to spend 650 anymore on phones, but I was tempted by OnePlus. I got a good deal. I like to think that this phone was $550 from their store. I haven't even opened it yet, so I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Give you guys a little thought as to my first impressions on just unboxing and just seeing what this phone has to offer. The main thing I was curious about was the camera, as well as the processing and the RAM and all that fun stuff. And this is apparently the 256 gig, 12 gigs of RAM, which is ridiculous because my Mate 10 had 6 gigs of RAM and 128, so it's literally double what I had before. I will give them props. I didn't have to use anything to open the plastic up. It has a little pull tab. Taking the documentation out, invitation letter. Okay, let's see what that is. Oh, cool, it has been a little SIM card deal. All right, so SIM card, quick start guide. I mean, it's pretty simple. I mean, it's a phone, right? How hard could it be? Safety information. Don't put it, where it doesn't belong. Cool little stickers that I'll never use. Don't know what SAR means, unless they mean the SARS, and that's probably not good to be talking about. Here's the phone itself. Now, I will be doing a separate video on the screen protector, unless it comes with one. Does it come with one? Did I just waste money? Because I bought a screen protector for it, which is kind of funny if it already comes with the screen protector. Haha, all right, well, I just wasted some money. Anywho, here's the phone. It looks really nice, very comfortable in the hands. I love the color, that is pretty. All right, USB-C charging cable. And hey, Nintendo, take some notes. You can actually include the AC adapter. And also, hey, Apple, while you're doing that, take some notes too. People don't also have specifically the amperage and voltage that you want for your longest charge. No. If I had read the quick start, I have no idea. I think that's a slider thing that they are pushing through for their phones. It's kind of neat or whatever. This is an adventure, by the way. I literally have no idea what I'm doing, and I probably should have read that quick start guide, but I did not. I wonder if it's dead. Oh, there it goes. Okay, never mind. Powered by Android. I gotta say though, I mean, it's slippery, but not like as slippery as, like, say, the phone I'm recording it with right now, which is an LG. It's very temporary. You can kind of see it's a G8 ThinQ or something. Don't really care. It's literally just a temporary device. Yeah, I don't want to do that right now. Skip. I will disappear for quite a second. Do 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 do. Ah, intermission. Do 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 do. Ah, that's a great intermission. Please don't flag me for that. Or you can, I don't really care. I just do this for fun. So while I'm going through the initial Wi-Fi setup thing, because um, I will say the packaging is really simplistic. It's not over thinking the process. It came in really well conditioned, so I'm very satisfied about that. Um, Besides that, I will say the phone's really snappy. I'm gonna go get their case, make a second quick little blurb video about the case I got for it. I didn't realize it came with the screen protector. Now, granted, the one that comes with it is just like a flimsy plastic one. I did buy tempered glass ones, mostly because I was very concerned about dropping it, even though I do my very best to not um, to drop these things, of course. But you know, life happens. Especially when you spend this much on a phone, it's kind of ridiculous. Um, let's do where I can see what I'm typing. So anyway, I'll make a second video when I actually have some time with the phone. I just wanted to really kind of put it out there how beautiful this device is. And yes, it is $550 from their store, but if you are a student, you can get a 5% discount code through the actual site itself. I am not sponsored. I do not make anything. I will make another video after about 6 months with my impressions, because I hate these videos where they always just go, oh, this is a great phone, and you never hear from them again. That's kind of a waste to me. So I'm going to charge it fully. I'm going to put it in the through the ringer, and we'll see how it goes. So I appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day.